It's easy to think that the decisions we make don't matter in the big picture. That is decidedly not the case here. As you choose a refrigerant and a vendor going forward, you impact not only your business's bottom line, but the planet's bottom line. You will make a difference. The sooner you make it, the smarter you make it, and the bigger the difference you make. We at Hillphoenix have the talent and experience to help you make the smart choice. It's hard to imagine a world without air conditioning or refrigeration, but the science and technology of refrigeration began only about 150 years ago. An early mover in the industry was Hillphoenix company founder C.V. Hill. In 1887, he started a tradition of innovation in the food retail business. As a grocer himself, he invented a cooler with a butter slide. Other grocers saw what he built and wanted their own. That was the beginning of a dedication to engineering great solutions that continues in our company today. We still design and manufacture refrigerated display cases, but we are now a leader in refrigeration systems, integrated power distribution systems, and we continue to expand into new industries. Our mission is to collaborate with our customers to drive great design and environmentally responsible solutions. Hillphoenix experience, expertise, customer responsiveness, and time-tested best practices position us to react to changes in the industry and the needs of our customers. Since 1996, our environmental improvements in alternative refrigerants and energy efficiency have helped take more than 2 billion pounds of harmful emissions out of the atmosphere. Today, Hillphoenix leads the industry with its Second Nature line of alternative refrigeration systems, which include glycol, CO2, ammonia, and hydrocarbon systems. As you choose a refrigerant and a vendor going forward, you impact not only your business's bottom line, but the planet's bottom line. You will make a difference. The sooner you make it, the smarter you make it, the bigger the difference you make. Hillphoenix, the smart choice.